Hello lovelies, today we're going to be talking about a beautiful iconic Chanel bag, and it is actually a new iconic Chanel bag. So I'm very excited. It's definitely really popular right now, but I feel like not a lot of people are talking about the bag, so I'm gonna have fun doing this, and it's going to be an unboxing. And as you guys know, I do these unboxings in a different way now. What I do is I show the full unboxing because I feel like the experience is so much more fun. So let's go ahead and jump in to the unboxing right away because it's fun and I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Check it out and then we'll talk about the bag.
People acting. People acting. People acting. People acting.
I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Now let's go ahead and show you guys the beauty up close and personal. And here it is, the beautiful Chanel 19 two-tone hardware goat skin bag. And the hardware on this bag, let me go ahead and give you guys the exact details just in case you guys want to purchase it. So it is goat skin, like I mentioned, and it has a gold tone hardware, which is the top part, and then just around it. And it actually has, I apologize, it actually has 3-tone hardware, which is what I fell in love with. It has the silver, which is a bit more of a polished silver, and then it has like a tarnished silver here, and it has tarnished gold, and including the CC, it has a tarnished gold as well. So right here, as you guys could see, it is not the traditional CC. It has leather woven all around. The detailing is phenomenal. It's beautiful. The detailing is phenomenal. I love this goat skin. Although it is not caviar, it has been pretty durable. I've used it in New York. If you guys follow me on Instagram, ooh, I have some stuff in there. And then the interior is red, and you just have like one huge compartment here, which is also a beautiful Chanel red. And you have one nice medium-sized pocket where they keep the authenticity card. And I absolutely love the detailing of the CC right there as well. It's just overall a gorgeous bag. Sometimes I even forget to close it, and even if you don't close it, it just kind of flaps. It's beautiful. And there's 2 ways that you can actually, well, no, I would say 3 ways that you could actually wear this bag. And one way would be from the handle like this. You can just wear it this way, hold it under your shoulder, and you can just carry it from your hand. One way that I absolutely love wearing it, if I could wear it as often as possible, I would, but with my baby, it's kind of impossible, is wearing it under the shoulder. And most of their most of Chanel's campaigns, you will see that the models are wearing it under the shoulder, which is very beautiful, and it's oversized bags. And the beautiful part is I'm just so happy that oversized bags are coming back. Now, I don't know if it's just a seasonal thing, because I do have to mention this bag for me kind of seems like more of a winter and a fall bag, and especially that it is black and it is a fairly large bag. And shockingly, it actually kept me pretty warm because I was rocking it just crossbody, and it was really keeping me warm here. And I don't know, it was just so comfortable, and it's amazing when you wear it with oversized jackets, oversized pieces. It just goes so well. So that is why I think it would be a great piece for winter and fall and for colder weathers. Now, if you're in like Europe and London, I think this bag will go a long way, but I am in California, so I do think this bag might not be the bag that I could wear year round. I can do it if I like, but I just kind of feel like it is just nicer with oversized outfits and just layering. It's gorgeous. But anyhow, it's a beautiful bag. You could fit so much, and it's actually amazing for travel, because I thought it wouldn't be the most practical bag to take on the airplane, but guess what? This literally saved my life. I literally had Nate's toys in here. I had a little makeup kit. I had face wipes, you name it. I literally loaded this bag up, and I had another carry-on, and this was like pretty much equivalent to a carry-on. And I just love the fact that, you know, you have all the colors of the hardware that you like, which means it will go with many styles, and you could dress it up, you could dress it down. I literally tried it all, and it went amazing. I'm absolutely in love with this bag. And this bag comes with many other colors, but I personally think the classic black leather goes a long way. And it's just so much more practical. And I don't know, like, I just feel like the gold really pops out with the black. I've seen the other colors, I've even seen it in tweed. I'm not the biggest fan. When I buy a bag, I don't like it to be tweed or any type of material but leather. And I just love these beautiful details, and it just says Chanel here, but I love the beautiful details on the hardware. But another thing about the hardware that I'm starting to notice is that it is getting more and more tarnished and kind of wearing off. So you have to be a little mindful about that. So I don't know if how it's gonna look, if it's gonna look nice. I personally think it's the type of bag that you might not notice it as much if it does get tarnished or rub off a little, because, you know, initially when I did get the bag, the twisting part of the Chanel, it was already kind of scratched up and tarnished. It's just the style. But other than that, it's beautiful. And if you guys were wondering what size this was, I don't know if I mentioned, can't remember, but I'll mention it again. It is in the Maxi, and I believe they come in 3 sizes. Don't quote me on that. I think it's like a mini, medium, and the Maxi. I don't know. I personally think the Maxi is a beautiful statement piece, and yet again, it's just amazing for winter and fall. Now the other sizes I think are beautiful, maybe in the other colors. The black is gorgeous as well, but I did like the medium in the light beige. And I love how this is a slouchy bag, so you don't have to really worry about it changing shape. And overall, you don't really have to worry. You can just toss it around. It's a slouchy bag. It really is a statement piece. And I will insert a couple of photos right now from my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I highly recommend you guys follow me on Instagram, because you guys will see all my handbags and how I style them. So I will insert the photos right about now. As you guys could see, I have been layering with this bag and wearing it over coats and many other pieces under. So this is that statement piece. I absolutely love it. And I don't know, I think this might stay in my collection. Another thing about this is, as I mentioned, it is the new iconic bag for Chanel. But again, it is not the classic. And as you guys know, the classic bags go a long way. Now, some iconic bags have made it very far as well, but I do feel like this might be one of those iconic bags that will definitely make it. So if you guys are thinking of purchasing this bag, I would highly recommend you guys doing so. The Maxi is amazing. But yeah, overall, I absolutely love it. It's classy. And I do kind of have this, like, you know, I don't know, like a vintage feel, like a vintage, like it kind of gives me that throwback vintage Maxi bag, and it's just very movable. I love it. So yeah, it is a very, very beautiful and gorgeous piece to have, and I'm just so happy that it is in my collection at the moment. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and please comment down below. I love communicating with you guys. I love hearing what you guys think about these bags, and I definitely love hearing that I can help you guys make your choices and purchasing any of these bags that are interesting for you guys, and you guys are looking into purchasing it. I love giving as much detail as possible and showing you guys how I style the bags, and if you guys have any other recommendations, please comment down below. And again, thank you guys so much for supporting me. You guys really keep this channel going. I